In this video I'm gonna show you how you can get a free stand in Please Donate. So if you want to change this basic one, here's how you have to do it. So this one, all you have to do is press escape and then leave this game that we're playing right now, Please Donate. So click on leave, then simply go to your main Roblox page, and here we want to search for Pet Simulator X. Okay, so now here you want to click on the most popular one with nearly 300,000 players. So just log in, and after you have entered Pet Simulator, a button should pop up right here that's gonna offer us to skip. So just simply skip this. It's gonna take us to the game itself. Click on OK. You need to create a pet, so I've created whatever this is and I've named them Bro. So right here, after you have entered Pet Simulator, walk around for about 30 seconds to 1 minute just to make sure that you have successfully qualified as having entered the game. So stay about 30 seconds to 1 minute in Pet Simulator, and after you have done this, you can exit out of Pet Simulator X. Go back to Please Donate, and now I'm gonna show you how you can change your stand. So just give it a second here to load up. Okay, let's go here. We got plenty of empty stands, so claim it, and then if you want to change your stand in Please Donate to the free one, click on the cogwheel right here and then use your mouse scroll wheel. And as you can see, now we have a free Pet Simulator X stand. So as you can see, now we have officially changed our stand in Please Donate. So thank you for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.